Okay, here we go.
What inspired you to start racing?
Monkeys.
Who's your role model?
Jerry Springer.
How many race cars do you have?
32.
What kind of race cars do you have?
Broken ones.
Who's your biggest fan?
Ooh, my biggest fan. Ceiling fan.
Who's your manager?
SpongeBob.
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 And how do you know him?
Patrick Starr told me about him.
And how did Patrick Starr get a hold of you?
Squidward.
And how did Squidward tell Patrick?
I used to work at the Krusty Krab.
What'd you do there?
I flipped burgers. I taught everything that SpongeBob knows. I taught him everything.
Do you know Mr. Krabs?
I do. He used to be my manager.
So, sometime could I get a picture of SpongeBob?
Absolutely, yeah. Yeah, one of these times, yeah. Absolutely.
Alright, how about our next video?
Maybe, yeah.
And when will our next video be?
Phone move. Our next video will be tomorrow!